Hey guys, I want to introduce a really brand new amazing feature in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. It's the free member download section in the HPCrazy Students Club, the specific section in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy where you can talk with each other, you can share your experience and stuff like that. And I want to quickly show you where it is, how it works. It's really simple and it's cool and it's amazing. So let's check it out. Now, we are now checking the desktop version of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. I'm already logged in here with the test account. When you scroll through the whole thing, again, down here you find the entire HPCrazy Academy. Here on the left are a lot of, on the right are a lot of sections which you can check out. And here's the HPCrazy Students Club. So, you're a free member. You would hit the Join Club button here. Now you're a member of the HPCrazy Students Club, you can enter it. Now, the brand new feature is what is here. You see the navigation tab, and here you see this section Files. You click on Files, and here you find several files. I already uploaded 3 of them, and those are free for you. As an example, I click on Jazz Rock Licks here. Some is a selection of really cool licks which can help you out to play really jazzy, cool stuff. Let's get back to the files. Or here I made a transcription of Wes Montgomery's Billy's Bounce solo, which might be cool for you. You can download. If you want to download, just hit this button, download, and here comes the PDF for you. Or sometimes it comes along with a video. In this case, I recorded a song, and here you can download the tabs for free. If you want to listen to it, you just go to this part here and you see, or you find it attached here as well. Yeah, this is the really cool and amazing new feature in the HPCrazy Students Club for all members, free members. If you want to have discuss this, or you want to make a new topic, you just go to the Topics tab and start new topic and write whatever you want, as somebody did here already. Who is that? Chris. He has a question here, which I gladly replied to. So this is the brand new feature here. It's really cool stuff. And if you want to have the full benefit of the things, don't forget to make the premium membership upgrade here, because then you have access to all downloads. Like let me quickly go to the latest tutorial here, which was that one here. It's not here. That's already that it was in jazz here. Here was the latest tutorial. It was Moonglow. So these when the files which are attached to the tutorials, you can also download it here. These ones are only available for premium members, which I'm currently not. And so, yeah. Yo, people. I really love this brand new feature, and what I'm planning to do is to, sometimes when I just practice stuff, I get some small little ideas, some snippets or whatever, and I quickly tab it out, make a quick recording, and says, oh, this is really cool, but it's not really a full tutorial, but just some ideas or some useful stuff or transcriptions or whatever. And this stuff is for free for all members, so it's really worth to become a free member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy and join the HPCrazy Students Club, and you will love it. I mean, the system is, the longer it exists, they only exist now for 2 years, this new system, and now I feel it's getting really perfect and the way I wanted to have. And soon I'm going to add, just as an announcement, you can make exams to get awards. That's a feature which I'm really thinking about. I don't know how I want to make these awards available. Well, the exams is not the problem. It's how it's going to be displayed. You know, this is the thing which is not solved at the moment, but it's something which I'm working on, to that you can make exams. Like the new written course which is coming soon is going to be if you finish the full course, you can make an exam to see if you passed it, and there you really need professional advice to see if you have done it correctly and stuff like that. Yo, so that's all the brand new news. It's really cool, and see you guys.